What's going on, gig, independent contractor family? Reed here, the Apex mobile app, and this is episode 5 of Apex on the Go. And all right, so you've decided what's the next step. I want to try this out. Well, you need to register, all right? So there's a few steps. There's registering, then there's setting up your profile to get approved, and then there's subscribing. So there's 3 separate things you got to do there. The first part, registering, is very simple. That's you go in, you put in your email, your phone number, your name, and you'll get a confirmation email, probably an OTP, and verify your email, verify your phone, okay? And then profile setup. That's when you go in and put your profile picture, all right? So take a selfie of yourself, put it in there, and then it's gonna ask you, after you put in your address and your bio and stuff, to put in, that's all step 1. You're gonna put in step 2, which is your screenshots from your TNC partners. When you go online on Uber, you need a screenshot of that showing that you're online, so you can see that you have that your account's not deactivated for whatever reason. Same with Lyft. You go in there, take the screenshot of the map while you're online. And then your profile is where it's going to show. In Lyft it shows your vehicle, license plate number, and you. In Uber, it's going to show you, your rating, and how many trips you've completed. Okay, those are your profiles, and you're going to submit those. And then the pictures of your vehicle, so front and the back. Not just the back to show the license plate, but you're displaying the back of your vehicle. You're displaying the front of your vehicle, or the quarter view of your vehicle. And make sure it's well lit, landscape mode, and upload it to the app, and you're good to go. Submit it, and then later on you will have to subscribe. All right, but subscribing is completely separate. You go in there through your web portal, and that's where you put in your payment information. Of course, if you use a driver's invite code, you're going to get 2 months free instead of just the 1 month free. And then that is about it. Any more questions, you can put them in the comments below and I'll be able to answer them. Or again, you can email me where? Reed at apexmobileapp.com. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you real soon for episode 6.